Have you ever tried to get gas out of a can like this, but it comes out really slowly, like ketchup from a bottle? Glub, 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 glub. Or depending on the temperature, this thing can blow up like a balloon, ready to explode, or collapse in on itself, deforming the can. And don't you hate it when you have a deformed can? But all these problems can be solved with a little device like this. This is a gas can vent. This is a little cap. You drill your hole in the gas can, insert the vent, keep the cap on loosely, and this solves all the problems I mentioned. To install the vent, I'm using a 7/16" drill bit. I find a good spot near the top and above the gas full line. I won't drill near the seam line down the middle. I just want to avoid any possible issues. I start drilling slowly, cleaning as I go. I don't want any plastic bits falling inside the can. Make sure the nut is loose, then insert the vent, tilting toward one side and push it down. It was a bit challenging to push the whole thing down inside at once, so I grabbed a flat screwdriver to coax the rubber gasket in, and then it popped in right away. Now you can tighten the nut and keep the center shaft from turning using a screwdriver. Make sure the vent is tight and doesn't spin. Put the cap on, but leave it loose. You're done. And it only took about a minute. What actually happens if you don't use a vent? Well, when you pour gas out, you create a vacuum because the liquid is leaving but no air is coming in. When this thing gets hot, the air inside heats up and expands outward, causing the can to bulge. Now, when it's cooler, the air contracts, creating a vacuum that sucks inward. And that really sucks. But this vent fixes those issues. I just bought a 12-pack of these on Amazon for $20. It comes with the wrench and a 7/16 drill bit. You can't beat that. Sure, I may never use 12 of these, but hey, hand them out to your friends. They make great stocking stuffers. But the real question is, if this is such an easy problem to solve, why don't gas cans already come with a vent? One word: regulations. In 2007, the EPA introduced a bunch of rules and regulations regarding fuel vapor emissions. Basically, this thing is giving off a tiny amount of gas vapor, which is technically flammable. Now, in my opinion, if you're using a lighter or smoking a cigarette while filling up your lawnmower gas tank, well, you should have your common sense license revoked.